Welcome back, everyone. I am so excited for this video. Hope everyone is doing well today. We are back with a Boxycharm unboxing. I have kind of put these on hold for a couple of months. I moved. I love Boxycharm and I love when I see all the products. I get super excited. So I know a lot of you do, so I figured I would just continue doing them. We have our base box and we have the Boxy Premium. So we're gonna be opening these two today. So excited. This one is kind of heavy, so can't wait for that. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell down below somewhere so you can be notified as soon as I upload a video. Without further ado, let's do this. First one is the base box. This one is a heavy. Let's get this one open. Super excited. I'm actually sitting in my living room area today. I feel like I get bored of all my backgrounds and different areas in the house. So I'm like, let me just do a video in the living room. Because why not, right? Why not? I also got to put up my Christmas tree. So excited for that. Anyway, here is the first one. And wow, they put 2 stickers on them. So let's do that. All right, so here is the first one. And the theme is, I don't know, invite only. Okay, interesting. Not sure. So we have a few things in here. All right, so the first thing, oh my God, this is so exciting. Look at this. I'm telling you, I just get so psyched when I open my Boxycharm boxes. Anyway, we have the first thing here is the Blink Ultra Volume Tubing Mascara. I think this is the second or third time I get a tubing mascara from Boxycharm. Not mad at it though. All right, let's open this up. It says, stop painting your lashes, tube them. Okay. Do not use makeup remover. Tubes come off with lots of water. Ideal for teary, sensitive eyes and oily skin. Wow, okay. Excited to try that out. All right, Blink. I've never heard of Blink. Ultra Volume Tubing Mascara, clean and vegan formula. Awesome. Ultra long wearing buildable false lash effect. And the retail price is $26 for this. Okay, next thing in the box is the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. Oh, I love Kate Somerville. Absolutely, I'm obsessed with Kate Somerville skincare. Love, love, love. I've used the other cleanser before, not the purple one, but I'm sure it is just as good. It says it's a gentle daily face wash that's formulated to cleanse and soothe without tightening or irritating. And the retail price is $40. I basically already made, and more, the price of the box with these two products. Oh God. Boxycharm, always coming through. All right, next up is the Hey Honey Trick and Treat Lip Balm. That's so funny. Never heard of this brand. Ingredients, super clean, castor bean, honey, and jojoba. Look at that. Lip treatment with tint. Treat while you trick. The Trick and Treat Berry Lip Balm. Okay, I can never have too many lip balms. Ooh. Has a slight scent to it. Interesting. Let's try it. I already have something on my lips. Let's try that anyway. I like it. Alrighty, and this one is a berry lip balm, rich emollients, and the retail price is $23 for this. Next up is a Violet Voss palette. This is the Violet Sunset Pro Series eyeshadow and pressed pigment palette. Ooh, it has 10 eye color shadows and pressed pigments. Let's open it. Ugh. Oh, can't wait to open it. Ooh. Okay, I was expecting more berry colors, but this is cute still. It has nice shades. Ooh, definitely want to do a look on this. Okay, Violet Voss. I really like Violet Voss shadows. This one is the Sunset palette, color story inspired by the magical colors of the sunset. Okay, now I get it. Hence the browns and the peaches. This retails for $37. The last thing in this box, and the heaviest, is the Milk Dew pH Balancing Moisture Milk Toner. It's from the brand Glowasis. Glowasis. Did you get it? I got it. This is a toner, and it says it gives thirsty skin a drink of milk dew. Toner meets moisturizer, features a blend of apricot kernel oil, soybean extract, and cica extract. And it's supposed to hydrate the skin. This looks really cool. Can't wait to do that. I don't smell anything. Oh. Open the package, Sarah. Duh. Okay, very light scent, which is also great because I don't like heavy scented things in my skincare. Can't wait to try this out. This is so awesome. Okay, we got some skincare. Love that. Eyeshadow, mascara. Let's see how much we would spend if we purchased all these products outside of Boxycharm. We have the Violet Voss Sunset Eyeshadow Palette. That retailed for $37. We have the Kate Somerville Cleanser. That retails for $40. Okay, we're already way ahead of the game. We have the Glowasis Toner. That was $34. The Blink Tubing Mascara. That retailed for $26. And then the Hey Honey Trick and Treat Lip Balm. That retailed for $23 for a grand spanking total of $160. Boxycharm. You guys are awesome. Let's move on to the premium box. So excited for this one. So many goodies, I'm sure. Let's give it an open. You guys, honestly, I'm not even sponsored by Boxycharm. And I'm telling you now, if you are not subscribed to Boxycharm, not sure why you love wasting your money. Because at this point, you're wasting your money. Save your money. Save your money. Subscribe to Boxycharm and save your money. Have our premium box. Where is our card? Oh. Here it is. And here is what we have. Ooh, I think I see Kat Von D. All right, the first thing, I'm so funny. Ugh. First thing in the box that I see is the KVD Lock-It Powder Foundation. I have a few KVD products, not very much. Not sure why. I didn't even purchase the Good Apple foundation, to be honest. But this one seems pretty interesting. It's a powder foundation, nothing interesting about it. But first of all, can we just say the packaging is literally everything. Love the packaging on that. How cute. It's in the shade Light 130, which may or may not be my shade. It is pretty thick, so that's interesting. It feels like a really full coverage powder. Wow. That's cool. Okay, can't wait to try it now. That is awesome. And this retails for $37. Next up is the blush drops from the brand Rodial. This reminds me so much of the brand Iconic, I think it's called. And now they're in Sephora. I don't know, they seem very similar. This is in the shade Frosted Pink. I am not a pink blush kind of gal, but I do love a good liquid blush. So I'll give it a try. It's supposed to enhance the skin's luminosity and add a healthy flush of color. So let's test it out. Ooh, okay. You know what really bothers me? If your product is super thick, why are you using a dropper? This is not dropper. I don't know. I would not use a dropper for this. Anyway, I digress. Mind my business. Let me just clean this up here. I don't want it to be sticky. It actually looks really nice. Again, I'm not that kind of girl to wear pink blush. I don't like it, but nonetheless, it is nice. It seems very Barbie-ish. I would definitely try it out though. All right, can't wait to use that. This retails for $50. All right, Rodeo. Okay, we see you. Do your thing. Next up is the CBD. It's not CBD. SB2 CBD. Wow, Sarah. Okay. SB2 by Sutra. It's a hair serum. It is a rejuvenating paraben-free hair serum. It provides hair follicles with intense nourishment. It's supposed to provide instant relief following heat styling. Formulated to deeply penetrate the hair shaft. Okay, eliminates frizz and impart a silky smooth finish. We can always use a good hair serum, and this looks like it's really good. I gotta test it out once I blow dry my hair, but I'll definitely let you know how this works. This retails for $45. We have a serum looking thing here. Let's open this up. Okay, this is the Better Skin Company Eye Bright Now Anti-Puff, Anti-Dark Circle. How did you guys know? Ooh. Ooh. It smells so fresh. Okay, definitely will use this tonight. What are the deets on this? It says, wake up and fight dark circles and puffiness. With Eye Bright Now Serum, a single drop provides immediate hydration and helps with the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. Okay. Retails for $38. Next up is the Galactic Rose Petal Oil Gloss. Oh my god, this is so adorable. Look at this. How cute. I already have stuff on my lips. I love the scent of rose. Okay, very light. I was hoping for a more powerful rose scent. Why not? Might as well. We're going all in today. My lips are gonna be shining. My dad always makes this joke whenever he sees me with lip gloss or like, you know, shiny lips. He's like, Sarah, you look like you dipped your lips in lard. Is it like a culinary joke or something? I don't know. I love this. Absolutely love this. All right, Galactic, thank you very much for this. It has vitamin E and jojoba oil. Really good. Argan oil, raspberry seed oil. Interesting. Gloss isn't sticky, which is true. Perfect for on the go. Oh my god, you can definitely throw this in your purse. It's like slim and sleek. How adorable. This retails for $20. And last but not least is the cutest little package. This is from the brand, I don't know. This is from the brand Riddle Oil. It is made with simple ingredients of amber and musk. It's a roll-on fragrance oil. Ooh, gosh, let me smell it. I love, 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 love fragrances that are made, oh, God, it's good. What is in here? Okay, it says made with simple ingredients of amber and musk. Okay, yes. The original roll-on oil smells clean and subtle. Naturally creates a signature scent that is unique to you. Oh my god, how exciting. Wow, it's hypoallergenic, non-toxic, and vegan. Oh god, it smells so original. Oh my gosh, I need to go find more of these. This retails for $50. That was everything in the premium box. Let's calculate and see how much the grand total is for this box. We have the KVD Lock-It Powder Foundation that retails for $37. Then we have the Rhodial Blush Drops. Those were $50 retail price. The Better Skin Company Eye Bright Now Serum that retails for $38. And then we have the Sutra Rejuvenating Hair Serum. That was $45. The Riddle Oil Original Roll-On Oil that retailed for $50. And then the Galactic Rose Petal Gloss that retailed for $20 for a grand total of $240. So you guys, I'm not sponsored by Boxycharm, and I'm telling you, you should definitely subscribe to Boxycharm. That is all that I have for you guys today. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and comment below if you get the boxes. Let me know which product is your favorite this month, and I will see you in the next one.